Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Zoom application. Zoom is a video conferencing application that allows people to communicate through video, audio and text over the internet. It is widely used for online classes, office meetings, webinars, interviews and virtual gatherings. Zoom helps people connect when they are physically far apart, and in this video I'll explain how to use Zoom application step by step, and this includes how to install the app, how to create an account and how to join a meeting and how to host a meeting as well. And this explanation is suitable for the beginners who are using Zoom for the first time. And to begin using Zoom, the application must be downloaded and installed. So first you need to go to the App Store on the bottom, and over here on the bottom you can see there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar. So over here type Zoom and select on the bottom right, and over here the official Zoom application will appear with a blue icon containing a white video camera symbol, and select Zoom Workplace. And over here we can see there's a download icon. Tap on the download icon and wait until the application is fully installed on the device. And once the installation is complete, open the Zoom application. Simply tap on the open, and over here the home screen will display options such as sign up, sign in and join a meeting. So the next is to creating an account and signing in as well. To use Zoom fully, it is recommended to create an account. To create an account, you need to tap on sign up. Over here you are required for your birth year. Type down your birth year and select continue. So over here you are also required with your email, but if you want to continue with your SSO, continue with Apple, Google, Facebook or Microsoft, on the bottom you can see there's an option. We can do that as well. As I'm going to select continue with Google and select continue again, which says Zoom wants you to use zoom.us to sign in. Continue. Over here you need to select your account. Over here scroll a bit down, we can see there's a continue. Tap on the continue. So over here you need to tap on the enable notifications if you want Zoom to send you any notifications. If you do not allow, you can simply tap on do not allow as well. And over here, if you don't want to miss a meeting, you can select continue. And if you want your Zoom to access full to your calendar, you can select allow access. If you do not want to, you can select do not allow as well and select not now on the bottom. And over here you're ready to go on. Tap on the get started. So over here the next is joining a Zoom meeting. Joining a meeting is one of the most common uses of Zoom. To join a meeting, you need to open the Zoom application and tap on the join meeting. On the top, we can see there's a plus icon of join. Tap over there and a screen will appear asking for a meeting ID. The meeting ID is usually provided by the meeting host through a message, email or link. Enter the meeting ID carefully, and below the meeting ID enter the display name as well. If you want your name to be as your name, or if you want to change your name as well, you can add it or you can simply replace it as well. And this name will be visible to the other participants during the meeting. And there are options to turn video on or off before joining. If video is turned on, other participants will able to see you. If it is turned off, only your name will be visible. Over here we can see there's an options. You can toggle on this icon if you prefer. So if you want to connect your audio automatically or turn off your video automatically, you can simply toggle it on. If you do not prefer, so toggle it off. And after completing these steps, you need to tap join. And after completing these steps, you need to tap on the join. And if the meeting is protected, a passcode may be required. Enter the passcode and wait to be admitted in the meeting. Over here the home screen is displayed. This screen acts as the main control center of the application, and at the top left corner we can see there's a user's profile information is visible. You can tap over that. And over here this includes the profile picture or initials along with the account name. This area confirms that the user is logged into correct account. The center of the screen contains large clearly labeled icons. These icons are visually distinct and easy to recognize. The spacing between icons helps reduce clutter and make the interface visually clean. And each icon represents a primary function of the application, and their placement ensures quick access. And there's a navigation bar interface at the bottom of the screen. The navigation bar is visible. The bar remains constant across different sections of the app. The navigation bar includes tabs such as Home, Team Chats, Docs, Calendar, and Mail. Each tab is represented by a simple icon and a table, making navigation. If you want to start a new meeting, there's a button on the top. You can see there's a meet. You can select that over here. When tapped in, your video is on. You can use your personal meeting ID as well, and you can start a meeting. And you can copy this link and you can send it to your friends, and anybody can join the meeting as well. And the join buttons allows users to enter a meeting using a meeting ID or link. This option is commonly used when attending classes or meeting hosted by the others. And there we can see a schedule button. This schedule button allows users to plan meeting in advance. Tapping this button opens a scheduling interface where details such as date, time and duration can be set. And you can also enter your Zoom meeting name. If you want to schedule a time on the bottom, you can also schedule a time and select done. If you want your duration, how much duration you want of your meeting, you can do that as well. And after you're done, select done on the right hand side. And over here, if you want to enable your user personal meeting ID as well, you can simply toggle on this icon beside it and scroll a bit down. And if you want any advanced option on the bottom, you can see the advanced option. Tap on the advanced option and you can select as well. And if you're okay with all of the settings, on the top right corner we can see the save. Tap on the save. And the share screen buttons enable users to share their iPhone screen with others during a meeting. This is useful for presentations or demonstrations. These buttons are placed prominently so that important actions can be accessed quickly. And at the bottom of the Zoom app, a navigation bar is displayed. These bars help users move between different sections of the app. The Home tab returns users to the main screen at any time. The Meeting tab shows a list of scheduled meeting. Users can view upcoming meetings and past meeting records here. And the More tab contains additional options such as setting, profile, and help. And the navigation bar remains visible throughout the app, allowing smooth movement between sections. And the Team Chat section in the Zoom iPhone app allows users to communicate through messages without joining a meeting. This interface is designed for continuous communication, similar to messaging applications but within a professional environment. And when the Team Chat is opened, a list of chats appears on the screen. These chats may include individual conversation or group channels. Each chat displays the name of the person or the group along with the most recent messages. Preview allowing users to quickly identify active conversation. And the Docs section in Zoom allows users to create, view, and manage documents directly within the application. This interface supports collaboration without switching to another app. And the Calendar interface in Zoom helps users manage meeting and schedule efficiently. When open, the Calendar tab displays upcoming meeting in structured layout. Meetings are listed by date, time, allowing users to quickly see what is scheduled. And the Mail interface integrates email functionality into Zoom app. When the mail is tab opened, the interface resembles a standard email layout. Emails are displayed in a list format showing sender names and subject lines. And the Profile section, where users manage their personal and account information, in the top left, select over here. And over here, the profile area is open. Details such as profile picture, name, email address are visible at the top. This confirms the identity currently logged into the app. And below this, various options related to account management are displayed in a vertical list. These options may include status, settings, availability, and preferences. The interface uses clear labels and simple icons, allowing users to update automatically information easily. This section helps personalize Zoom experience and maintain a professional identity. And overall, Zoom is an easy-to-use and reliable platform that allows people to connect online through video, audio, and chat. It helps users to join meetings, attend online classes, and communicate with others smoothly from anywhere. Zoom also offers useful features like screen sharing, meeting controls, and chat options, which make online interaction more effective. Because of its simple design, even beginners can use Zoom without difficulty. This makes Zoom a convenient and practical tool for online communication. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble on using Zoom, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.